All right, Green Thumb Gardening family. This is officially the last hoorah for our Crimson Sweet watermelons that we're currently growing here on Easley Island next to our purple sugarcane that is now looking fantastic and steadily sprouting out new plants down here alongside our larger sugarcane plants. So we're super excited about that. Also next to our red and our yellow miniature sweet bell peppers, we're growing, well, we have been growing crimson sweet watermelons since about late February, early May here again on Easley Island. As I raise this camera up, you guys are going to see that our vines are beginning to look a little worse for wear. In fact, a lot worse for wear than they were in our last video. You guys see that? These vines are on their way out here at Easley Island. And we're okay with that. We're okay with that because, again, these vines have been growing here since, again, February. And not only that, we're okay with it because we have two huge crimson sweet watermelons that are now harvest ready. Take you guys in for a close-up. That thing is pretty large there. And not only that, can you guys see that pigtail? That pigtail is completely dried up here on this plant. So that thing's ready, harvest ready. Also, we have another small one here that we know won't make it to the harvest stage because, again, our vines are dying out. But we've already harvested about 4 crimson sweet watermelons from this location. So we're thankful to have been able to harvest as many as we have so far, and to have another 1 or 2 that are now harvest ready, and we'll be able to take off of these vines before the vines completely die off. This is our second large crimson sweet watermelon, and it too, Green Thumb Gardening family. As I move this camera down amongst these weeds down here, you guys see that pigtail? That thing's dried up and withered. It just rained here. I'll pick this thing up and see if it has that classic yellow spot on the bottom. And it does. I'm gonna see if this one over here has that same thing. We can pick this thing up or roll it over. And it does. Again, it just rained here. And it rained a lot here, so we won't harvest these watermelons today. We'll try to wait at least 2 more days before we come back here and harvest these watermelons to give our watermelons a chance to sweeten back up. Harvesting watermelons directly or immediately after a substantial rain shower will result in fruit that's not nearly as sweet as it should be. So again, we won't remove these watermelons from these vines today. Hopefully we won't get any more rain in the next 2 days, but if it does continue to rain here, we won't have any choice but to go ahead and remove those watermelons before they actually split open on the vines here. Most of you guys in the area have been growing watermelons for a while are fully aware of the fact that if you leave ripe watermelons on the vine and you're getting heavy rain showers, those watermelons will indeed split open on you on the vine and leave you with inedible fruit. At any rate, thanks for watching. And if indeed you currently are watching this video on the last hurrah of our crimson sweet watermelons down here at Easley Island, and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please take this moment and put that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, Green Thumb Gardening family, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Thanks for watching.